Waking up to a brand new day. Sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment a story to be told. Through ups and downs we stand tall. Together we can conquer all. Life's an adventure, come along. In every vlog we find our song.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I trust you all are doing good. Oh yes. Guys, it is another winter season. You can see we've started padding ourselves. Can you guys see me? Okay. So today's vlog video, I would like you guys to come along with me. I'm going to pick my daughter up from kindergarten. Okay, from there once we are back, I'm going to be making lunch. Don't mind me, I'm crossing the road, so I have to look around. Okay, so I'm going to be making beans and plantain for lunch stroke dinner. Yes, okay, I'm going to be sharing my recipe with you guys. Okay, so guys, let's get started. As you can see, we are still on the road now and the weather is not good and it is cold as well. Okay, I am outside. Is too windy. It's too windy. I see it is too windy outside today and cold as well. That's Anglican Church. So now I'm going to be crossing the road. I'm very close to the kindergarten now. Okay, I'll be going in to pick her up, so come with me. Okay, don't go anywhere, keep watching. Let's go in and pick her up. Okay, Basala. Sinin the fans hello. Kuano kuna.
Hello.
Kehi agwa ha. Subscribe. So guys, we are out from the kindergarten now. We are going home, okay? Outside is it's windy and cold as well, eh? All my hands are freezing. So you can see my baby, she's out now. She's done for today. So join us as we go home and prepare our lunch stroke dinner, beans and plantain. Come and learn mama's recipe. All right. Hello guys, we are back from kindergarten. Guys, how do I look on this cap? Hope the cap looks beautiful on me. Okay, so it's time to make dinner stroke lunch. Dinner stroke lunch. I'll be lunch stroke dinner. Okay, so guys, come with me. Let's get started. Now let's wash the beans. Okay, this is 4 cups of beans. 4 cups, standard cup. Let's wash it. In a pot of boiling water, we are going to be adding our washed beans. Okay, we are going to be parboiling these beans. I do parboil mine 2 times. Let me know in the comment section how many times do you parboil your beans before cooking. Okay, I parboil this first one. I'm going to drain the water out. I will still parboil it for the second one. Okay, so that is one of my method on how I cook my own beans. Okay, now we're going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Okay, the water is now boiling. I'm going to drain this water out. Okay, I'm going to drain it out and reboil it again with another fresh water. Then we start cooking. Okay guys, that is it. Let's drain the water out. Now let's cover and bring it to it. So I'm going to drain this one out, okay? Then now we go ahead to start cooking. So we're going to be using pressure pots, okay? The fastest way to cook beans is to use pressure pots. Yeah, the fastest way is to use pressure pots. So that's why you saw me parboiling it 2 times, okay, before I start cooking.
Every journey, every mile, captured moments, every smile. Life's an adventure, come along. In every vlog, we find our song. Family, friends, and places new. Cooking dreams and skies so blue. So hit that like.
So guys, that's the plantain, okay? I'm done cutting, peeling and cutting the plantain, okay? So now let's go and pour it into the pot and add other ingredients while we are still waiting for the beans, okay?
Life's an adventure, come along. In every vlog we find our song. Family, friends, and places new. Cooking dreams and skies so blue. Waking up to a brand new day. Sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment a story to be told. Through ups and downs we stand tall. Together we can conquer all. Life's an adventure, come along. In every vlog we find our song. Family, friends, and places new. Cooking dreams and skies.
Now we are back to check the beans. Yeah, I opened it and the beans is well done and softened. Yeah, so the next I went ahead to check our plantain. Yeah, as you can see, I gave it a nice stir and the plantain is done as well. So I added the cooked beans after that, which I will turn until everything is well combined. Feel free to check for salt or seasonings. Once done, cover the pot and allow it to cook until it thickens to your desired consistency. Okay, believe me, you know that everything is already cooked. Yeah, it's just for it to thicken. Okay,
Family, friends, and places new.
some minutes later I checked on the beans. Wow, it has thickened to my desired consistency. Oh yes, now give it a nice stir, turn off the cooker, and it is done. Okay, yeah, enjoy the beans in whichever way you prefer. These beans tasted so super delicious. Oh guys, we are done. Hope you enjoyed this amazing vlog. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next one, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys in our next one. Bye.